Hi, I'm Steve with NewCastle Comics. We're a full-service comic and game specialty shop. So we sell new and back issue comic books, so new books come out every week. We have a full offering of those. We have older comic books or back issue collectibles. We have a large board game selection, trading and collectible card games from Pokemon to Magic the Gathering, role-playing games, Dungeons and Dragons and the like. Why do I love what we do? I've enjoyed comic books and board games all of my life. I grew up reading them and playing games, and it's always been near and dear to my heart, and wound up having the opportunity to go into business with it. I'm Steve Falcon with NewCastle Comics and Games. I live in Southmore Park, and downtown Longmont is my neighborhood.